Hi guys, Emily here. I have a new slime in a giant bowl. It's a purple color and it's very sparkly. It has like a lot of weird stuff in it. But it's not very stretchy and it like stays in its shape. I don't know. It's really weird though. Let me get my bowl under here. See, it's like kind of stretchy. You can hear all the stuff falling. It's very big though, definitely very big. It's very fun to play with. It's like very surprising all the stuff you're gonna find in it. I'm seeing light bright stuff and all kinds of sparkles. See, there's one right there. But it's pretty good slime. There's a bean in there. Yeah, it's very purple. Definitely very purple. So it's if you stretch it like you're making a bubble, you can kind of see through it. It's very fun, definitely very fun. See if I can get some out of this bowl here without having to grab a whole bunch of crazy stuff. See, there we go. Now, all you people out there, like and subscribe this video. Thank you, bye.